Hey, you guys, I just wanted to go ahead and answer these questions I heard on Twitter about when the winter time comes, the lawn care kind of steepens and the grass don't grow and whatever not, and their customers ended up, basically by now ended up dropping off, and then it leaves you with an abscess in your business. Well, this is why I've been on a very big kick on trying to go ahead and teach people on doing just this. You can go ahead, go join on these flip sites, and whatever that you got. And I know some of your customers probably gave you something similar to this lawnmower or these lawnmowers right here, which I've gotten from customers. And actually, you can go ahead and people actually throw these out. So I actually looked up a couple things online and to see if I can fix them and everything like that. Turns out to be a gold mine on lawnmowers. It's a lot of people that will throw a good lawnmower away because they don't know or they can't solve out their problems, because the lawnmowers and stuff like that end up to be a havoc, such a problem, and the grass starts growing tall. So just to give you a little bit of backstory on these lawnmowers right here. Now I know what y'all guys are thinking about, tinkering with lawnmowers. Some guys are not handy with that kind of aspect of tinkering with lawnmowers and actually getting their hands-on experience with one. Or like I said, when you got into the lawn care industry, you learn how to do a couple things. I know, guys, that y'all don't know how to, some of y'all are not mechanically inclined, but being part of mechanically inclined, you're halfway there with sharpening blades and stuff like that. I know you got to learn how to do those. You had to learn how to sharpen blades, and you had to go ahead and learn how to change spark plugs, and that's halfway straight through it. I'm just gonna tell you, y'all guys, I know what y'all thinking about, in the wintertime, but I deeply stress this a lot. Hack the shit out of this lawn care. I mean, because you can end up you can go on a flip site, and actually any one of those lawnmowers that I see right here, I can go on a flip site and just basically get them for like $60-$70 of good money. That's somebody's lawn. You know what I'm saying? And I can sit my behind down at the I can do option A, which everybody think about doing, sit there behind at the house. Option B, go and advertise, or option C, and that's just to go ahead and be productivity, actually add a little bit of productivity and advertisement toward my business. Option D, actually going out there and working hard and getting in that brutal sun and going out there cutting some more, or actually tuning myself up to cut some more people lawn. And it's people are refusing people left and right. So the most I probably get will probably be like 50, probably about $70 for the winter time anyway. So I don't see the difference between me going on eBay or a flip site like OfferUp or Poshmark or whatever or not, and going that route. And plus I got a couple other things. That's another side business I have. Side hobby, I should say. That's not a business, but side hobby. Maybe I should have turned that into a business. And flipping lawnmowers, and actually I ended up getting more equipment and everything like that on some of those flips. So just to let y'all know, man, it's out here. Just think outside the box, and you can be able to go ahead and make countless of dollars and stuff like that. This is something I didn't learn on YouTube. I learned actually from the older heads and the older generation that used to do lawn care. out here. I didn't study my lawn care from YouTube. I actually learned it from them. So some people want to, that they're out there right now. Knowledge is power. So use this for reference. On the time that you can't get those lawns, collect these. Actually ask your couple customers that if they want to move anything throughout the year, throughout the lawn care season, and actually make yourself available to do it, because it will pay off in the long run. I will tell you that much. It will pay off in the long run as long as you stay diligent, you stay out there, and you got the drive to do it. Boom, you can get it done. All right, Deb. Well, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.